Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn how to enable the notification sound for channels on the Telegram app for PC. If you've noticed that you're missing updates from your favorite channels, don't worry. By the end of this video, your notifications will sound loud and clear again. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once it's open, move your eyes to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. That's the main menu button. Click on those lines to open the side menu. From here, click on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram behaves on your computer, including how it handles notifications, privacy, and appearance. Inside the Settings menu, select Notifications and Sounds. This section controls all sound and alert preferences, from private chats and groups to channels and calls. Now, look for the category labeled Channels. It's usually listed below Groups. Click on Channels to open its specific notification settings. Here you'll see several toggle options. To make sure your channel alerts come with a sound, find the sound switch and turn it on. When this switch is enabled, you'll hear a tone every time a new post or update is shared in the channels you follow. You can also take a moment to adjust other settings while you're here, like whether you want desktop notifications, message previews, or silent mode. But for now, the key step is enabling the sound option to reactivate channel alerts completely. Once you've made the change, close the settings window. Telegram automatically saves your preferences, so you don't need to press any extra buttons. And that's it. You've successfully turned on the channel notification sound in Telegram on your PC. From now on, you'll never miss important updates from your favorite channels again.